This is the new image of Mogadishu, renovation of key major roads. For years it was rendered impassable, especially when it rains. Most of those who stand to benefit are public transport users, and this is after the facelift, something the locals have welcomed.
We operate on this road every day. Before, we used to pass in front of people's houses and alternative roads, but this new initiative has improved our work. We make more money and more trips thanks to people who came up with this idea.
Abdullahi Hassan is a disabled man and moves around in a wheelchair. Before the facelift, it took him hours to move from his home to the city center.
We used to have a hard time moving from one place to another, but now we are happy. This new road is a blessing. We can move during the day and night. We can also move when it's raining because this road is in good shape.
The local government in Mogadishu is leading this initiative, known as Rebuild Your District, and relies on contributions from local residents and the business community. This is one of the roads that was renovated under the new initiative. City drivers now have an easy time driving around without worrying about potholes. But one thing authorities here hope to achieve is to show the Somali people that if united, they can rebuild their own nation. To many, this is a major relief, one that locals hope will open the path to more greater development in the city and restore Mogadishu's lost beauty. Abdul Aziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.